Hey everybody, welcome to Crafted Catastrophes. My name's Clay and this is Mandy, and we're part owners of a small 3D printing business. Sean and Jill are off this week, so you're stuck with us.
That's true.
We specialize in creating unique, personalized 3D printed items that make everyday life a little more fun.
In today's video, we're excited to share one of our new favorite products, 3D printed succulent planters. We have found some super fun models to print that are sure to liven up any space. We'll guide you step by step, starting with getting designs for your planters, printing them out, and of course, wrapping up with planting these adorable succulents. Whether you're here to learn more about 3D printing, get inspiration for your own projects, or simply love succulents, you're in the right place. Let's dive in.
Succulents are a beautiful way to add life to any space, and paired with personalized planters, they make for the perfect combination of nature and creativity. What's great about 3D printing is the endless freedom to bring these planters to life. Whether you're into minimalistic styles, bold geographic patterns, or quirky shapes like animals or abstract art.
Today, we're starting with a cute dinosaur planter design. When choosing a planter design, there are a few key things to keep in mind. Make sure that the size fits your favorite succulents. You don't want the planter to be too shallow or too big. And of course, stability. A sturdy base ensures your planter won't topple over. Once you have the design, it's time to prep it for printing.
Next, I'll slice the design using bamboo slicer. I'm setting a thicker wall for durability, a finer layer height to ensure smoother curves.
We like smoother curves.
That's true. And enabling supports if needed for overhanging parts. Once everything looks good, I send the G-code to the printer.
The printing process is always fun to watch. Seeing your design come to life layer by layer is so satisfying. But sometimes challenges like bed adhesion, warping, or even stringing can pop up. If you see any issues like these, don't worry. Adjusting the bed leveling, print temperature, or retraction settings usually solves the problem. If you have a print that doesn't go exactly how you planned, we won't call it a fail. You can turn it into something else. We printed this Magneto helmet. It's supposed to be a helmet, not a planter. It didn't go as planned, hence why we are called Crafted Catastrophes. But we take lemons and turn them into lemonade here. Sean had the genius idea of printing us a little plant holder, and we have now turned this into a planter. Voila! Fails are not failures. They're just opportunities for you to create art. So never get discouraged. Know that you can always turn Magneto's helmet into a planter. Now for the fun part, planting. Choose a succulent that complements your planter size and style. Once the succulent is in, I like to add a layer of decorative pebbles for a clean, finished look. And just like that, you've got a beautiful new centerpiece.
Quick tip, succulents love bright, indirect sunlight and minimal watering, so don't overdo it.
It's true. I've killed some.
It's true.
It's true.
It's true.
It's true. Here are some of my favorite display ideas. From sprucing up your office desk to adding charm to your windowsill, these planters also make fantastic gifts. I would take one.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let us know in the comments which design was your favorite or what ideas you'd like to see next. We'd love to see some of your creations. It's true.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps small businesses like ours grow. Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you next time.